What's up, folks? Joey Image here with an unboxing I have been waiting almost 5 months to do. Towards the end of 2020, there were 3 things I wanted to make sure I got my hands on. The PlayStation 5, got that on launch day. The brand new iPhone 12 Pro, got that on launch day. This, October, November, December, February, about five months later, the Nvidia 3080 RTX Founders Edition. So it's taken me about 5 months. Did not get on launch day, but I am very excited about this. We're going to pop this open. I'm going to change the camera angle. We're going to take a look at this, and you're going to see everything inside of it. I'm sure you've seen this unboxing a million times already since they have been out for 5 months or so, but I haven't been able to get my hands on one until finally today, so now you're seeing mine. So I will swap the camera angle right now, and I'll see you in a second. All right. I hope you can hear me. I am behind the microphone at the moment. I've already cut the plastic with my unboxing knife. So we are going to open this and see what we've got inside. All right, here we go. Oh my God. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. I love this little dip in the packaging right here. Let me, all right, she is heavy. Wow. She is a heavy little girl, big girl. I love the push-pull fan. There's the 12-pin power header right there. I'm assuming that might light up. I don't even remember. I've seen other Jesus Sense, I've seen Linus, I've seen Steve in Gamers Nexus. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this. This is so nice. I love the push-pull fan configuration. And these metal fins right here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let me put her aside for a minute. See what else we get in here. Alright. The little warning label deal. Okay. Here's the dongle for the power, 16 to the 12 right there. Here's your little quick start guide, which I don't think I've ever read one of these. Support guide, I don't really need either one of these. I know what I'm doing. Quick start guide. Let's see. Alright, well that was pretty quick. Excellent. And we're all set. That's the entire thing. I was going to try to make this video quick. And apparently, I didn't have to try. Let me get this out of here. Just for a second so I can put her back in. Put this back in. And there we go. I wish I could prop this up, but I am not comfortable with that. There we go, guys. The RTX 3080 Nvidia. Here we go. You can see the little logo in the background. The Founders Edition. This is my first Founders Edition card. Alright, and I'm back. So this is my first ever Nvidia. I'm a big Nvidia fan. This is my first ever Founders Edition card. I would love to have a 1080 Ti Founders Edition, but I just have not been able to get my hands on one. If anybody watching this happens to have a 1080 Ti Founders Edition NVIDIA card that you are willing to get rid of, please let me know. I almost don't care if it works or not, because I kind of just want it to have it, as silly as that may sound. So yeah, that would be awesome if you guys please let me know in the comments down below, or my email, joeyimage@gmail.com. But I am going to make this quick, and I'm going to wrap it up. Again, here's one last look. This is the Nvidia RTX 3080 Founders Edition. Got this at Best Buy. They dropped a lot of stock this week, and I happened to just get in and get lucky. Guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you watching this one. It's not the greatest video, but I do want to make it quick so I can get this installed in my PC, get it up and running. I think this comes free with Call of Duty Cold War, is it? So I want to check that out. I want to see how this looks. I got a brand new 4K TV slash monitor in there. It's a TV, but it's got PC slash gaming mode in it, and it looks beautiful. So again, guys, thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best in your future graphics card endeavors.